Nag-start ako with 1,000 pesos na puhunan. Naisip ko na arts and crafts for kids kasi yun yung ina-enjoy ko din gawin. Madiskarte Moms, tulungan niyo po sana ako sa affordable na packaging and sa branding na mas pasok sa online business ko.
Take your online side hustle to the next level. We can help you with that.
This is the show where we share tips and napakaraming iba't ibang diskarte to improve every Madiskarte Mom's online home business. Kaya naman, if you want to learn more about this, don't forget to hit like and then share and subscribe to our channel.
Yes. At syempre, huwag niyo rin kalimutan to click the notification bell so you can get updated on the latest videos. At kung hindi pa kayo part ng aming community, it's time for you to join. Just go to our Facebook page, Madiskarte Moms PH. Hello, Madiskarte Moms! I'm Mommy Roxanne.
I'm Salvi Duplito, and this is
Mompreneur to Wowpreneur Season 2. Of course, we are powered by PLDT Home Biz, enabling Madiskarte Moms with business solutions to help you grow your biz with bigger and better Ascenso Fiber plans.
Marami na sa ating mga mommies ang nag-shift sa online home businesses, katulad ni Mommy Glazel Ramirez. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang kwento.
Hi, I'm Glazel Ramirez po. I'm 37 years old. We stayed in Singapore for 10 years. OFW kami ng husband ko. Kids were born there. Tapos, we decided to go home na nung 2018. Nag-start ako with 1,000 pesos na puhunan. Hindi pa siya yung arts craft. From there, nag-start ako nag-ipon pa unti-unti ng molds ko and mga designs ng art kits. Naisip ko na arts and crafts for kids kasi yun yung ina-enjoy ko din gawin. Naglagay lang ako ng isang page sa Facebook. Pero sumasali lang ako doon sa mga marketplace or yung mga nearby na group sa area namin. So, ang market ko is nandun lang sa location kung nasaan ako. Madiskarte Moms, tulungan niyo po sana ako sa affordable na packaging and sa branding na mas pasok sa online business ko.
Hi, Mommy Glazel!
Hi, mommies!
Mga mommies, ang dapat talagang improve niya sa business niya ay ang kanyang packaging. Lalo na mga kids yung market mo.
Oo, tama yan. At the same time, yung value ng money ng mga parents is hindi mawawala.
Pero bilang sabi mo, gusto mo rin matutunan pa how to market your products online pa. At dahil yan ang gusto mo, yan ang gagawin natin ngayon.
Correct.
Simulan na natin ang transformation ng Something Catchy.
Pagdating sa pag-upgrade ng mga packaging natin at syempre sa branding, hindi pwedeng mawala ang ating visual merchandising expert, Ms. Joanne.
Hi, mommies! Okay, so number one that we should consider is safety. Since primary customers po natin are kids, we have to consider our packaging to be safe. Walang sharp objects, walang stapler, and it also has to be very basic, easy to open, tapos organized, and very straightforward.
Pwede ba tayong gumawa rin ng interactive packaging?
Interactive na packaging is also very helpful para ma-encourage yung creativity ng kids. Important din sa kids ang sense of touch. It's not just always visual, but kailangan yung nafe-feel nila, yung natatouch nila agad yung items. Since itong mga items natin medyo nababasag po to, this is made of plaster, kailangan we also have to do something to protect our products. So itong mga paper, fillers, yeah. So that would also protect our products para hindi siya ma-damage.
Baka pwede nyo rin kami bigyan ng option sa packaging. Ano ba yung hindi masyadong makaka-affect ng cost? Kasi yun talaga yung concern ni Mommy Glazel.
If we streamline yung ating mga gift sets, pwede nating ma-define yung ating sizes. We can just order 2 to 3 sizes lang ng boxes. And if we order in bulk, we'll get big discounts.
Maybe we can upcycle them, mga mommies. You're an arts and crafts business, so you can still maintain your branding with the logo that you have the sticker. It's really catchy then to see different colors, diba? And upcycled materials to use for your products. And speaking of logo, matanong ko lang, Mommy, ano po ba yung logo nyo before?
Last time, yung logo ko is just a background of a purple color and then name lang ng Something Catchy. May nakalagay dun na apparels because I was trying to sell different. But this time, it's more of crafts.
And now, it's time para sa ating Facebook makeover naman, Mommy Glazel.
Ang next natin, papaano mo i-market online yung mga produkto mo. Akala ng mga tao, pag nilagay mo yung picture mo doon, okay na, makakabenta ka na. But there's a system to it. There's an art and a science. So, yung Facebook page mo ngayon, nakailang followers ka na ba?
200 plus.
That's great, but we can do better. So, ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng online store sa Facebook page mo, kaya magkakatalog tayo. Ang unang-unang kailangan ng mga successful social media marketer, inaaral mo muna yung iyong market. So you have to find out first kung sino ba talaga yung bumibili ng mga produkto mo ngayon.
Most of the time, mix naman siya. May vegetarian mommies.
May vegetarian mommies.
May all go lang na mommies.
I love that. So when you do your social media marketing strategy, kailangan gagawin mo yung lengguwahe at yung design ng mga post mo na angkop doon sa target market mo. Iba-iba din yung oras. Kasi yung mga mommies, usually, nag-check sila ng Facebook nila either bago mag-online classes yung mga anak nila, during lunchtime, pero may mga times talaga na hindi siya mag-online. So, if you post at the time na wala sila online, mamimiss nila yung post mo kasi yung algorithm, di ba, may time din yan. So, you have to make sure that your posts arrive in their feed at exactly that time. O, Mami Glazel, tingnan na natin yung Facebook page mo, okay? Ito logo mo. Pagandahin natin, ha? Kasi kailangan talaga unique ka. Tapos, napansin ko, marami pa ditong other products aside from your arts and crafts. Pero dun ka na magfo-focus, di ba?
Yes, sa arts and crafts.
Yan. The story of your brand should be clean.
Okay.
So, kung gusto mo dun mag-focus, tanggalin na natin yung ibang mga kalat. Tapos, pagandahin natin yung cover page mo. The mommies would like to see something where they can relate to. And they have to know it's you. They have to be emotionally connected sa'yo. It's storytelling pa rin. That's what brands are. Tapos, we improve the information on you, your product info, and then we just make everything consistent. Ready na ba kayo sa big reveal ng transformation ng business ni Mommy Glazel?
Ang goal natin dito is hindi costly pero eye-catching yung packaging natin. Ang tip sa kanya ng ating expert, di ba, is huwag niyang iba-ibahin yung size para makatipid tayo sa packaging. And simple upgrades are worth it. Ngayon, kumbaga yung logo pa rin natin, maganda na kasi nakalagay DIY art kits, di ba?
At yung mga yan, makikita na natin sa Facebook page niya. So, yeah! Napag-usapan natin kanina. Eto na, makikita mo na siya. Oh, nakita mo na yung logo mo na bago.
Yes.
Tapos yung cover photo mo. Something catchy na talaga.
Yes, very catchy.
Tapos, eto na yung online store mo rin para pwede ka na tumanggap ng mas maraming order. Napakaraming changes, pero all of these changes will really help you grow your online business.
Yes. At syempre, Mommy Glazel, para complete yung transformation ng business mo, meron tayong Home Biz Package from PLDT Home Biz. Alam niyo mga Madiskarte Moms, ang kagandahan dito kasi 60 Mbps to. So, pang negosyo level talaga ito, di ba? Maganda pa dyan, unlimited na rin yung calls mo to PLDT, Smart, TNT, at yung gusto ko dito, favorite ko, backup Wi-Fi. And syempre, when you join the community, PLDT Home Biz is all about also being better home biz owners. Kaya naman may free webinars yan. So,
Thank you!
Yes.
Congratulations, Mommy Glazel! From Mompreneur, ikaw na ngayon ay isang Wowpreneur!
Thank you po sa Madiskarte Moms and sa PLDT Home Biz for giving us the opportunity, mga moms na nagsisimula ng mga online business.
Thank you, Mommy Glazel! Isa na namang inspiring home biz makeover ang ating nasubaybayan today, mga Madiskarting Moms. So if you have any comments, comment suggestions. Aba, wag na kayong mahiya. Gusto namin malaman ano ba yung nasa isip nyo.
At kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating YouTube episode today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel para every time magkakaroon tayo ng bagong episode, alam nyo na.
Meron pa tayong pampagood vibes na stories of success, and all you have to do is watch our Meet the Experts episode linked here. At syempre, kung hindi pa kayo part ng Madiskarte Moms community, nako, you have to join. We would love to have you there. Just just go to the Facebook page and like Madiskarte Moms PH. Until next time, I'm Mommy Roxanne.
And I'm Mommy Salve. See you next time here on Mompreneur to Wowpreneur Season 2.